Balanced chemical equation, double replacement. So in here, everything looks really complicated. So it doesn't really matter where you start. However, there's one hint that I can give you. You always treat the polyatomic as one entity. So don't do it separately. Otherwise, it would take forever for you to balance. So don't do P and whatever amount and then O whatever amount. Don't do that. Instead, do PO4 together. So how many PO4s do you have? So there are two on the right. I'll put two here. There's two. For Na now, I have six. I'll put a six here. And for Cl2 on the right side, we have six. So on the left side, we need a three because we have two already. So Cl, we have six now. And for Mg, we have three. Let's look at the right side. Mg, we have three. PO4, we have two. And 6Na6Cl. Left hand side equals to right hand side, and it is balanced. Here's the yo-yo, and have fun.